Wait, have you seen this? Nothing CMF Phone 2 Pro just dropped in the US today for only $379, and it's already making waves. With a killer Dimensity 7300 Pro chip and a triple 50MP camera setup, this phone is punching way above its price tag. Stick around to find out why everyone's buzzing about it. Imagine a phone that looks premium, shoots like a pro, and doesn't break the bank. Sounds too good to be true? Well, the CMF Phone 2 Pro is here to prove it's the real deal. It's now taking the US by storm. Let's dive into what makes this phone a game changer. First up, let's talk design. The CMF Phone 2 Pro is a stunner with its slim 7.8mm body and modular back that lets you swap panels for a fresh look. Available in 4 slick colors, it's got that premium vibe, and that 6.77-inch AMO LED display. It's a 120Hz beauty with 3000 nits peak brightness, perfect for Netflix binges or gaming in the sun. Now the cameras. Oh, they're next level. You get a triple 50MP setup, a main sensor that captures 64% more light for unreal low-light shots, a telephoto with 2x optical zoom for crisp portraits, and an 8MP ultra-wide for epic landscapes. Plus, CMF's modular lens attachments like fisheye and macro let you get creative. Whether you're shooting 4K video or selfies with a 16MP front cam, this phone delivers pro-level results. Under the hood, the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 Pro chipset keeps things buttery smooth, with 10% faster CPU and 5% better graphics than its predecessor. Pair that with 8GB RAM, up to 256GB storage, and a 5000 mAh battery with 33-watt fast charging, and you're set for all-day use. Running Android 15 based Nothing OS 3.2, it's clean, customizable, and promises 3 years of major updates. At $379, this is a steal compared to phones twice its price. The CMF Phone 2 Pro is proof you don't need to spend $1,000 for a flagship experience. With its standout design, pro-grade cameras, and insane value, it's no wonder US sales are surging. Whether you're a gamer, a photographer, or just want a reliable daily driver, this phone's got you covered. Ready to grab yours? The CMF Phone 2 Pro is available now in the US for $379 through Nothing's beta program or select retailers. Don't miss out. Click the link below to check it out. And if you're as hyped as I am, drop a like, subscribe, and tell us in the comments what's your favorite feature of this phone.